let's begin. Samsung S7. The camera is kinda shitty. See, it can't focus and it's got some dots there. We'll be replacing this with a new one. Replacing this with this one. This is how the camera on S7 looks like. So first thing is to remove the SIM card. So turn off the phone, remove the SIM card, and then we can pry open the back and replace the camera. So the first thing to do is warm this bit. It's not that difficult to remove these. Just warming it up, pulling it up, prying out, and okay, hold on. Let me get all my things first. Like these ones, need them, and then a blade, and my isopropyl alcohol. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna warm it up. Not warm, I'm gonna heat it up and then pry it open. So normally I pry it from this side, the volume button side, because the battery is on that side and this one has big place for the motherboard. So that side, this side will have a lot of glue than this side, I believe. So I try to do it from that side. So once that goes in a little bit, it's going to be easy then. So that goes in, I can put some more of these inside and I can pull it out easily. Let me warm it a little bit more. And then I'll be using some isopropyl alcohol because this tends to make it non-sticky. So once you put that, it doesn't stick. See, now it's so easy to cut it through the glue. Let's pull this inside. Yeah. And some more. This side will have glue up this bit as well, so it's a bit harder than this side. So let's get it in very much. So once this bit is out, what I normally do is I normally get a prying tool and squeeze it in there so that it's easy for me to pry it open. What is this called? The wireless charging is in there, so you've got to be careful with that. While prying this open. Other than that, you don't need to worry about anything, man. So once I push the pin in there, I can slowly warm it up and pry it open like this. So what I'm doing here is I'm pushing out the case with my finger, pushing the pin out, and I'm warming up slowly because that way it tends to loosen the glue and I can push it out slowly. Or what I can do is I can just push it this way. I can slowly push it out, push it down. That way it comes out as well. I should not be very harsh to it, and I should not I should be very patient with it, man, because if I do it too quickly, it's gonna break, and if I don't do it hard enough, it's not gonna come out. Let me move the thing, the wireless charging bit, so just put it aside. So now I can see the glue, so what I can do is I can just cut it open like this. The other side as well. Warm some more. So while warming it up, I can just push the back case out slowly, so it comes out easy enough. See, it's out now. Everything is good. Now it's just a matter of removing the screws and removing the motherboard. Too big, man. I wanted this. Remove the battery first, then it doesn't matter what you remove, just remove everything, whatever you can. So yeah, I'm not going to remove these things, just going to remove the camera and put a new one there. Okay, so the camera is out. I'll be putting this one in and then putting everything back. This one has a glue. Okay, let's put this back again. The camera is attached, so attached there, so it's kind of stiff there, so that's a good thing. It's got glue there. Now I'm gonna put everything back and test it if it's okay or not. Okay, all the wires are inside. Connect this as well, and this, and this, and these, and finally this. Let me connect the selfie camera as well. This. Let me just, maybe I'll just put everything back in and test it. Yeah, I should do that. Oh, let's put everything back. Says quite easy to put this back again. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's see. See, it's much better now. It can focus a bit better. And look at this. Nothing else. So yeah, this is good. I'm gonna turn it off and put everything back in. The putting back is kind of headache thing to do, as I'll have to clean everything, and which I don't like, you know. I like to clean all these things, but we'll have to clean it, guys. So yeah, now it's time to clean it. Not gonna be cleaning these because they will stay there. I don't have to worry about them. They stay there. But the ones on the edges, they have to be cleaned, because if I don't clean it properly, it's not gonna stick. It's just gonna come off, and in a month, the phone is gonna come back and get some complaints. It's best not to get complaints about these things if you can do it properly first time. If you can't do it, that's a different thing. But if you can do it properly, just do it properly, and you don't have to worry about customers coming back and blah 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 blah. You know, so do it nicely so that it stays there for like forever. I know it's not gonna stay there forever, but you know, just a couple of years, and if it comes off, that's all right. We'll fix it. So this one, it's we can see it like this. It's not a big deal. As the phone gets old, the glue, the pen that they put there tends to loosen off. So it's we can't avoid it as the phone gets old. So it came out so nicely, and while cleaning it, it just came off. So I can't avoid that. Good thing it did not become like this, transparent. Good thing. So yeah, this is not a big thing. So yeah, good thing it didn't become like this, because it was supposed to be like this. Then it turned into this because the color came off easily, like very easily. It just came off. So yeah, this is what happens with these Samsung phones as they get old. So this bit needs to be cleaned. Let me clean it up quickly and put everything back in. So this phone is supposed to be waterproof. It will not be waterproof now. Yeah, what do I say? Yeah, I can't make it waterproof as it was before. I can try to make it slightly waterproof. If you want to do how it was before, then don't open the phone up. If you want it to be waterproof as it is, don't open the phone up. Or take it to Samsung. They'll make it waterproof for you. But not all the places they have Samsung, you know, Samsung store, Samsung blah blah blah, where we can take and fix it. So yeah, we can try to make it waterproof, but it's not gonna be 100% waterproof. At least we can try it, even though we can't make it 100%. We can try it. Okay, seems like it's clean now. Just gonna put the back in now. Don't forget to remove this, and don't forget to clean this. This is just easy. Just doing this will clean it up. So yeah, I'm just gonna put glue on this bit. If I'm gonna have to put it here, I'm gonna have to remove these. If I need to put it there. So yeah, let's remove these. Worry about it later on. This is cleaned. Upside down. So yeah, cut it off. Go to the other side. gonna put the T7000 on the Asus, and I'm gonna cover it up. So, not this one, man. Not this one. It's this one. So once this is done, I'm gonna have to remove the excess glue. So I just use my isopropyl alcohol, a dab of it, and start all the way cleaning the sides. And this way it's gonna remove all the glue. It's gonna look clean. Let's see if this side is got any glue or not. Let's stick it now. Oh, this is much better. See, Dragon Ball. What's Dragon Balls? See that? A lot better than before. A lot better. So yeah, it's gonna be put back in. Let's put the SIM card in and put everything back. It's gonna come and pick it up in a while. Come back in a while to pick it up. Then rubber band it. Okay, this is all done. Camera is working fine. It's good. Everything is good. It's just gonna come and pick it up in a while, and this is all done. It's good. We changed this last time, and then looked at the camera, and it was like fuzzy stuff. So I replaced the camera as well. This is the original camera. It's got loads of scratches in there. Yeah, maybe I'll show you how this looks like under a microscope. Let's see. So this is without zooming it. Then let's zoom it. See that? See the scratch? It's got scratch everywhere. So see that? Scratch there. See? Big scratcher. So yeah, this is how this looks like under a microscope. So the image that it was producing, it wasn't so good. We had to replace the new camera, which is good now. This is very good compared to this one. So that's all. With this, the video is ended. So thank you very much for your time watching this video. If there's any comments, suggestions, complaints, anything, just do comment me underneath on the comment section so that I can reply to you. And thank you very much for your time, and do give me some suggestions so that I can improve my videos, so that I can improve my speaking and stuff. So yeah, thank you very much and have a good day. Thank you.